Hey YouTube, this is going to be a unboxing and installing of the LED switchbacks. I got a 2013 ALTIMA, Nissan Altima, and I'm going to put those in today. I just got these in the mail yesterday, so we're going to go ahead and install them. And I haven't seen a video on YouTube showing this, so I figure I'd go ahead and be the first. So let's go ahead and open it up. Comes in some pretty fancy packaging to me. Got a little mounting spot there. And these are the version 2 switch packs. So normally they're going to be on with white 5K all the time, and then when you hit the turn signal they're going to go ahead and flash the amber or yellow and then switch back to white. Got a little package here. Looks like got some hardware screws. Well, I'll open it up here in a second. Couple more wires. Fuses. And some instructions. So there we go. That's pretty much the unboxing of it. Everything you're going to get with the kit. Like I said, I got the switchback. Mine are the 5K. I wanted more of a pure white color instead of so much of the blue. I already got the 5K HID kit installed, and really excited to see how this is going to look. Oh. Let's see here if I can open this package here. See what we got in this package. Looks like we got some 3mm machine screws and 4mm machine screws. Couple of rings and a few, looks like gaskets. A couple different sizes here. And I guess we'll see how we get that installed there. Alright, so this is the unboxing of everything that you get in the kit, and I'll be back in a bit and we'll install it.